Hello everyone, my name is Mario. On this video I'm going to show you a new way to deliver sounds through Zoom for your students to make your lessons interesting. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the website is called Myintants. I will put the link on the description. So I like this because you can actually, when you're teaching your live sessions, you want to be able to, have some sounds included because it's like you're doing like a live streaming. There is a lot of ads, but just leave them there. Um, Make sure that when you're sharing this sound, you have the option selected for Zoom to share your sound, computer sound. So I have a few of them here that I selected. You can use this one, for example, if you have them do a problem and you want to put a song while they're working on it, like the Jeopardy song. There's that one from the prices, right? Just have to be careful because there are some inappropriate ones. So what I did, I selected all the ones I want to use and just keep this one just for school purposes. That's the Metal Gear one. Mario Bros. So if they get something right, you can use that one. You can use this one. Or this one. My favorite one is this one here. So that's my favorite one. This one is from the Crudes. Coins if they get something right. If they miss something, but you still want to give them good feedback. To be continue, like a lesson you're gonna continue next time. Buzzer when the time is up. Okay, I also added a couple of my own sounds.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That one if they get something right. Fortnite.
Oh yeah.
I don't know if you think this is appropriate.
Blueface, baby.
I think it's okay.
Yeah,
That may be a good one. And this is the ones I added myself.
It's going to be dangerous.
Danger? Ha! I laugh in the face of danger.
I also created this one.
Are you with me, lions?
That's one of my favorite ones. I'll play it again.
Are you with me, lions?
Right, you just choose motivated. Are you with me, lions? Or are you with me, tigers? Or any mascot that you are. Are you with me, rabbits?
Spartans! What is your profession?
I added that one too. That's one of my favorite ones. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this video useful. As the website one more time is Myintants. Like I said, just be very careful with the sounds you select and add it to your favorites, only the ones that are appropriate for your students. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next